Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus device. And now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So let's start by turning off all unnecessary running services. To do that, just open the quick access panel on your device and let's take a closer look at all the items. So if you are not using Wi-Fi right now but using only mobile data, just disable Wi-Fi. If you're using only mobile data but not using Wi-Fi, just disable the Wi-Fi. Okay, so if you are not using location services right now, if you are not using maps right now or other application that needs location services to work properly, so just disable location services because when unused services is enabled, this service constantly looking for the network. Location services constantly looking for satellite signal, Wi-Fi, searching for Wi-Fi networks, mobile network, constantly looking, mobile data, constantly looking for 5G, for 4G, Bluetooth, constantly looking for nearby devices. So just disable unused services. Then, when all unnecessary services are disabled, we can go to settings. So now open settings and scroll down, find display here. And here we have motion smoothness. So open motion smoothness feature and change it to standard. In this way, your screen will be your screen refresh rate will be changed to 60 Hz, and in this way your device will consume less battery power. Your screen will consume less battery power. Then scroll up and enable dark mode. Because you have OLED display on this device, and OLED display use energy from your battery only in light spaces, only in color spaces, but in the dark, in black spaces, your screen is disabled. So your screen created from thousands of small, really very small diodes, LED, and these LEDs enabled only in the places when you have the content, but not in places with dark, not in the black spaces. So in this way you can really improve your battery power, and of course just reduce your brightness. And if your extra brightness is enabled, you need to disable it, because extra brightness reduce battery power too. And of course then you can scroll down, find battery by scale here, click battery and enable battery power save. You can enable limit apps feature, and then you will open extra battery, ultra battery saver mode. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.